The heart is here and not here.
Hey, this is like the honeymoon cute वाला phase.
ऐसे लड़के कहाँ होते हैं मेरी लाइफ में? Hey guys! You know what, Pavs? Today, for the first time in my life, I'm feeling a little weird about shooting a video.
And that's pretty obvious. It's Feb, it's the month of love, and we are single.
If you guys thought it was tough being single and tough doing your job, try being us, we have to watch this extremely romantic movie.
And the name of the movie is Chemical Hearts, which is available on Amazon Prime Video.
Romantic movie. You saw a couple and you were like, let's just show them a romantic movie. It's February, right?
Yeah, I mean, I guess they don't understand that the definition of love changes the moment you get into a relationship because after that, it's mostly like all you're thinking about is who'll take care of the reservations, who'll actually decide which movie needs to be watched.
Yeah, because that's me. I'm the responsible one. कोई सोचता नहीं है हाँ.
So today, we'll be watching Sylvie's Love, which is available on Amazon Prime Video.
Yeah, I saw the trailer. I think the movie is based in 1950s.
Yeah, plus it has everything. Like there's jazz, there's love, there's ups and downs, highs and lows of the movie. So
You
I
have to
think
see it
everything
right
is
now.
on.
Don't. Shh.
Yeah, I mean, whatever I understood from the trailer, I'm just telling you that. So it's okay.
Fair enough.
It's a good song.
You live in a house like this, but you don't have a car?
I guess my grades aren't good enough for a car, so.
So the girl asks the guy ki you live in such a great house but you don't have a car. And the guy says, I guess my grades are not good enough. Every Indian family ever.
तो एटलीस्ट ये तो पता चलता है कि यूनिवर्सली ग्रेड्स आर यूज्ड एज लाइक लेवरेज टू मेक किड्स डू व्हाटएवर दे वांट.
Yeah.
Daddy, that fan is broken. That's why I was out on the street.
See, now that's what you said when I found that TV set you watching too, and it had a perfect pitch on.
It was no sound.
Isn't this such a desi dad thing?
Yeah, I think Mr. J is an engineer mostly because it's a full-on जुगाड़ू है.
Yes, also 90% of India is an engineer.
हाँ मतलब ठीक है. Ouch again.
Sorry.
Past, tell me one thing, okay? Everybody who's watching this movie, I will literally change my name if you tell me that you've not done this. Have you ever looked up your crush on the internet?
Always. I'm gonna look for it after the shoot also. But I think that's the reason why I'm single, okay? I look up for my crush online, but then I don't send the request or I don't make a move.
That's the thing, you have to make a move also, but make it look very like, you know, there's a picture में ऐसा meet cute होता है ना, they meet at a coffee shop or at a library.
So, but
Don't stalk her, don't be
yeah.
all weird like that, but you can like start a conversation.
Yeah, I think it's always very easy for the other person to say this, okay? But when it actually comes to you doing this, na, you type a text, you delete it. Like that guy does, okay? So you write something, you delete it. You do not know what to actually start a conversation with. Do you?
I swear right now, when I saw him, you know, taking the bobby pin out, I thought he's going to go in for a move.
Come on, they just met, okay? Why would he like go for a move? That's like the first thing you should not do. It's like 101. Okay, steps to ensure that you don't creep the girl out. That's so not done. I mean, she was aware that they'll be having an outdoor party and all. So obviously, अपना sweater या अपना jacket लेके आना था ना. So ये क्या है कि that you will expect your partner or let's say the guy to give you the jacket.
Listen, if you keep this thing in context and he was being chivalrous, you know what happened next, right? So it always pays off to be good.
Point.
Yeah.
Please note that. Do good deeds.
Do good deeds. It will come back to you.
But how do you know? If you love something, absolutely, I mean.
I don't know.
This is actually a very good question the movie raised. How do you get to know when you're like in love with something or, you know, it's not giving you happiness and then that thing you love is like driving you?
I don't know. I feel it's $1 million question and I frankly don't have any idea. If any one of you are aware of the answer, then please drop it in the comments.
Okay, that's a way to get out of the answer.
Let tell you something. How come they've not got a call from their mom अभी तक?
Fuck that, bro. ऐसी जगह में तो मैं जाने से पहले 10 बार सोचूं कि network नहीं आ रहा है. If my mom can't reach me, that means I'm in deep shit.
Oh my God! How am I going to put a story?
No, that's not the reason. The
talking
reason
about
mom
myself.
should know where I am.
Yeah, live location, mom. I'll send it to you always.
This is the first time when I can actually see Sylvie's character coming out and it's such a powerful character. Till now, she's been that sweet girl who's actually mostly supporting someone or helping someone. But then this is the first time when she's like trying to be an opportunist. The moment she got to know about the producer's job, she went for it and she's grabbing it.
And it's a very bold move also for that time. I mean, over there in that entire sector, I mean, she is like the only female at this point.
We're just a collection of atoms that come together for a brief period of time and then we fall apart. When all of this is over,
It said that we are just a collection of atoms that come together for a brief period of time and then fall apart. And I think that's a very beautiful line. Why? Because that just tells us that we should stop caring about what people are thinking, what people are not, the society and all of that, because we are just going to fade somehow and like enjoy the moment, no?
Yeah.
That's actually very hard hitting for me, yaar. That's a life lesson that I actually want to learn. That's intense.
I mean, I'm just shocked that these guys are like so beyond their ages. Like when I was 17, this was definitely, ये मेरे को नहीं समझ आता. I wouldn't understand this movie back then probably, because they're talking about some serious deep shit.
Yeah, but I think that's interesting also. No?
Of course, yeah.
Robert?
Hey, cute, they meet finally.
Oh yeah, I mean, it's such a perfect moment right now that her best friend stood her up at the same time she's about to meet the love of her life again.
Yeah, I mean, she's undoubtedly the best friend ever. Yeah. Even though she stood her up, at least she did a good deed.
Yes, and you know what happened? Good deeds, full circle.
Means to be a teenager. Okay? Your parents pressure you to succeed. Your friends pressure you to do shit you don't want to do. Social media pressures you to hate your body.
The movie got really intense and like it was like sort of a reality check and it just really hit home with me because I was like when I was in my teenage years I felt everything was like intensified, you know. I was like, if I couldn't go to a party the world was ending. If I couldn't post one thing the world was ending, it was coming to an end.
So the best part about Lily right now is that she's been playing the role of an introvert shuru se, and now the first time that she opens herself up and boom.
Yeah, like you can really see her character coming through.
And then she's gorgeous, okay?
Craziness is what that looks like and you can't handle it, but I never expected you to.
It's not like typical rom-com, you know, like teenage rom-com that makes you feel shit about your single life, but it like opens your eye towards like, whoa, these are also like emotions you feel. It just shows love in a very intense way.
Yeah, and I think more than about being single or being a couple, this talks about the real life issues that we actually face, like not expressing ourselves, one. Like someone being in some kind of a trauma and them being alone and no one talking to them and they not being able to talk to someone. So I think Henry being clingy is actually a good thing for Grace because he actually makes Grace comfortable talking about her stuff with him. To be honest, I would say that lashing out on them is wrong, but then sometimes they don't understand also.
Yeah.
Like what a teenager is going through, because there's a difference of generation. There's a typical generation gap there, and I'm stammering right now honestly because of the last scene, okay? And they don't have good answers, okay? Their answers would be ki, yeah, leave her, no. And that's not what someone wants to listen to.
It's hard to take shit from somebody who you feel like will not understand you or is not going through the same thing.
What happened?
She's in love with someone else.
Yeah, I think that's why they actually have put in a lot of efforts in actually thinking about the name for this movie, I feel. Because Sylvie's Love kind of explains you the entire feeling. They're not just talking about her love with Robert, right?
Yeah.
They're talking about her love for her career, herself, her family. So yeah, I think it's beautifully shown. So
Yes.
Yo, Pavitra, heads up, I might cry.
When you're a teenager, the chemicals in your brain drive you to make decisions.
Yeah, talking about the movie, it's not a fairy tale kind of a love story, but I think it's
like
form
so
of,
real.
The movie had a lot of highs and lows.
Who you're going to get, or like, you know, I don't have anybody in my life right now. I was thinking about the last time I felt like that, and I was just thinking about how the real, like the pure emotions that both the actors are going through in the movie, and both of them are doing a stellar job, you know, because it was so believable. For once, I didn't think that they were acting, and I actually bought what they were saying. So all of that was like really nice. I mean, I'm still like, fuck, that's how people love. Like,
I honestly love this movie. After a very long time, I found a very refreshing movie which has a beautiful plot, and it doesn't matter like whether you're single, you're in a relationship, you just broke up, like whatever situation is, it's a great movie to watch.
It's meant for all. Plus, I feel it's completely filled with a lot of bittersweet moments. Plus, at the same point, it'll keep you hooked throughout the movie. You'll be like hooked throughout the 2 hours of the movie. So yes.
If you like this video, go like, share, comment, and keep following Scoop Whoop.
Watch Sylvie's Love.
and don't forget to watch Chemical Hearts on Amazon Prime Video.